Hey, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. It is 1:45 and we are just getting out for breakfast. This is the third place that we've tried to review. Where did we go first?
Ayoko.
Gayokok. Yeah, it's chicken.
Trevisit.
It's on Trevisit. But it was so busy. Look how busy it is. And then we went to Hard Rock. And guess what? They've got a concert on the beach and they're doing their sound checks. What a racket. So anyway, we're here in Central. New place to us anyway, down here. Santa Monica Diner. We come here quite a lot, you know, and dine in there. Hi there. And we dine in there quite a lot. It's one of them where you give your money, you get a card, it's loaded up, and then there's all the restaurants, you just choose where you're wanting to go. Over here on the left, yeah, Santa Monica Diner. The breakfast, Turkish style, pizzas, and the full menu. I'll put it up once we get inside. So this is our first Sunday out for a long time, huh? I was helping a friend out the last 2 Sundays, so yeah, we haven't had a chance to go out anywhere. And then today, it's taken us an hour and a half just to get to here after going to the 3 places. So yeah, it was the menu. I'll put up there on the next to Nong. You shy today? Yeah, I'll put the menu up there. I didn't photograph it, but they've got a breakfast menu, but it's expensive. It starts at like $2.90 and goes up to $9.90. So yeah, I've gone for all American burger with Fanta orange and fries on the side, or onion rings, sorry. And you have gone for spaghetti bolognese and something else. Oh, that's the one, yeah. And what else do you get?
French fry.
Not French fry. Oh, it is. It's French fries with mince on top and cheese. Yeah, the first place we went to, the queues were so big, and they said it's going to be a long wait, and it was noisy and hot. In fact, they've got 2 restaurants there. And then when we went to the Hard Rock, the seating generally is outside, and the guy says, "Oh, I'll put you inside and give you the same menu." But even in there, it was like sitting in a drum. So we're in Central. And funnily enough, we were just there for breakfast the other morning. We sort of sit at the deli bar, met a couple of subscribers, lovely people. You enjoy breakfast there, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, so a friend that I was helping out, we were up at the Pullman Hotel, and they do a thing on a Tuesday. It's oysters, $1 each. So I told Nong about it. She's like,
I not like oyster.
she's lying. Yeah, she loves oysters. So yeah, that's if we get a day when she's quiet on a Tuesday, we're going to head up there, try that. So that's the meals just arrived. Well, most of it. Better show you Nong's. Yeah, so she's gone for the spaghetti bolognese. But look, this all spicy stuff at the back, yeah? Yeah. So she's spiced up with her own ingredient. My one, American burger with onion rings. Oh, and there's Nong's French fries with ground beef and cheese. Yeah, so I don't know how long Santa Monica's been here. As I say, we saw it when we came in for breakfast the other morning. Onion rings, the frozen type. Okay. The dip's nice. You'd be very ladylike. Yeah, very ladylike. It's dripping on your lip. Roy?
You try this. French fry try with beef and cheese. Not good for diet.
Yeah, the good thing for me about Central, lots of choices of restaurants. Prime Burger, next door is an Indian place, the salad bar. Yeah, so part of the supermarket, which is there, I'll show you. Lots of different things for takeaway. So it's good if you're staying in a hotel or a condo and you want to get some food to take back and have in your room for afterwards. But really, really nice to sit there and have your breakfast. I normally have a pulled pork burger. Normally has Thai food. It looks like it's takeaway only, but it's not. It's very good. So I had the whole week at the Pullman, which included lunch, and lunch was actually very, very good. I always got a nice selection. There was about 78 of us. Good selection at lunchtime. And we did go back for a party on last Sunday night. The food there was okay. Not as good as the lunchtime, but there you go.
Cocktail very good. Mojito is the best.
Expert cocktail. It was the best. You like that? I'll show you inside this burger. Yeah, so a burger with bacon, and then under it, grilled onions. Good. I know, you can pick a burger up and just eat it, but I wear white shorts. Yeah.
Wow.
Last week's video, to say it stirred up a bit of a controversy. I never knew people were so anti-electric. For me, I just look at it as it's new technology. You know, when we moved from vinyl records to CDs, and then from, God, what did we have? A Philips video system, then Betamax and VHS. It's all just new technology, and it always has teething problems. Now, nobody buys any like CDs or even DVDs are almost dead. You know, everything's digital, and it's going to be the way that cars are going in the future. So, some of the comments I got was, yeah, what are you going to do when it rains? Look at this. Look at that for a not a bad looking burger. Okay, but I have to take out tomato. It's making it too slidey. Here's your spaghetti. Good. Okay.
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 Okay mean?
Yeah, just okay. I know what it means. Yeah, so the bar scene this week, quietest I've ever seen it. But the town is still packed, you know, just different kind of tourists. And I know the flights are expensive and exchange rates, they're not the best, but they're not the worst. Somebody said, yeah, we used to get 78 to the pound. It was only 3 years ago we were getting 36 to the pound. So 43, although not ideal, it's not a total disaster. She's enjoying her chips and cheese.
No mukata tonight.
No mukata. Both the other restaurants, she was going to have Thai food. Obviously, no Thai food at this location. Yeah, for me, up at the one on Treposet, it was going to be chicken for sure. For me, only chicken, yes.
Grilled chicken, very tasty.
Yeah.
What's the name of the place?
No, I'm not saying it.
Gai Yok Kok.
Thai Yok Kok.
The owner very beautiful, nah?
Yeah, she does a lot of TikTok and stuff, and you know the type. Anyway, Gai Yok Kok stands for chicken, mortar, and pestle. There you go. I had to Google Translate when I was there. Definitely more multicultural here now than what it used to be 10 years ago.
Then we have ice cream.
Yeah, when we were up at the Hard Rock, I try and shoot some B-roll, and I do it before I go in. We look at all these chargers. There must have been about, I don't know, 10 to 12 charging points. And the Pullman Hotel, which isn't as big, they had a couple of charging points up there. So they do seem to be embracing the culture of, if customers come in an electric car, they'll want to charge it overnight. Pattaya. If you've ever driven here, you'll know there's a real shortage of gas stations. Trepisit, South Pattaya Road, or Sagunfa. That's it. I never go in the Klua really, so can't think of any that I've seen there. Yeah, so that's the bill up there, 863 baht. That includes the VAT, they kind of separated off. My one, not the same prices on the menu, but then I upgraded it with the onion rings and the Fanta. Yeah, overall, yeah, the burger was, it was pretty decent. And Nong said hers was, that means she's still hungry, and that no doubt we'll be going to the little market. Yeah. Oh, we'll go there, okay. Yeah, she's coming over. But I'll show you what they've got here. Yeah, so Nong's over there already. Yeah, so normally in the morning, she'll come and order a breakfast from here. The price there is per 100 grams, yeah? Pretty much all the food here is sold on a weight basis. But some really good quality stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna pull you around here. I normally get this pulled pork in a burger. Yeah, the chickens are not the cheapest, but they do some nice. Look at that. Crispy skin porchetta. You like this one, eh? Yeah, so that was lunch, and as normal, got back home and Nong had to go to work. So I am out with the boy. He's peeing on every tree, as he does. And he comes to meet his friends. Hey, come and say hello. Oh, hi, Friday. High five. And the other one. Come on. Oh, all your friends here today. Yeah, we're down here, Dongtan Beach. You have an idea where we are. That's the expensive house down there. Yeah, the other one that they've got plans for is here. 385 million baht. Well, the current exchange rates, that's about $12 million. Crazy. There's a big husky coming and Friday hates it. Absolutely hates it. So we have to hide behind this tree. That's it. You go for a pee. Yeah, they're okay. It's just this little bugger here. He's so noisy. Look, you would think butter wouldn't melt in his mouth. He can't see it because of the tree. Oh my God, he saw it. He saw it. Hey, behave. Stop it. Hey. Okay, stop it. Behave. Right. It stands there. Doesn't care. He says, I don't like that big hairy one. Yeah, so the beach is down here. Pretty busy. Weekends, very busy. Struggle to get a parking spot. Come on. Yeah, when you're in the house, he's all over you. When he's out, oh no, don't even speak to me. Come on. Yeah, you can see Bang Sari in the distance there. Yeah, I must have the only dog that's terrified of water. He hates the ocean. This we're at is Mum's birthday party, and I'm kind of stuck in a table here just now, and Mum is over there. Nong is here with Kun Jim and Craig, and this here's my wee brother Paul. Oh, you're getting away from both. And over at my left, we've got Jim and Pui and David, and there's Gao just arrived. Nong's friend, but also our staff. So, yeah. So Keith and Rick, what you do? Are you posing? Yeah, come on, I'll take you over. Mum's sitting with her friends, and we've got some family over from Scotland. There's Mum. She'll try to read her cards. Now this is Mum's cousin Joan. No? Niece. Oh God, you see, we were talking about this all day and I got it wrong. And her son Neil here, and Shona and Isla there as well. Yes, I could be right. I'm terrible with family. You know, who's who? There we go. You gotta look down the table and say hello to everyone. Yeah, so we're here at VN Restaurant. Oh, and there's Chef Boy. You'd think he's wearing skates, but he's not. He just puts oil on his Crocs, and that's him. Yeah, so Chef Boy's keeping me right. Shrimp spring roll, a sea bass up there. Yeah, shrimp. There we go. He's a cheeky bugger. Hey, the shrimp cocktail. Some spicy sauce. More sea bass. Yeah, I think it's going to be a chicken cashew or along that line. Well, maybe that is. Yeah, there's a couple of Thai dishes, some potatoes, some veg, some roast pork with gravy, and some roast duck and orange sauce. And then these potato croquettes. He always puts on a fantastic spread. Yeah, so we jump into the 19th. This is Mum's birthday today. 90th birthday. So, yeah, we're meeting my little brother here, and we're at Pattaya Heights. It's actually Pratamnak Soy 1. Let me take you inside. Yeah, so this is Peaky Blinders. Yes, it's always nice. Okay, slowly, Mum. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Peaky Blinders. Very, very nice place to have a crab. Yeah, we're here. Hey ET, how are you doing, sir? You okay?
Yeah, I did.
This is the boss. This is the main man.
Taping. Oh.
Oh, come on, Mum. Okay. Well, there's Paul at the bar.
Hi, Mom. What are you doing? Look at these cheeks.
Hello, Mom. Oh, hi. It's me. I know your eyes.
So this is my sister-in-law Denise, and over here in the darkness, Paula.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Yeah, so for starters, smoked duck, bruschetta. Tucked in already some nice prawns. And then over here, nachos. Got some potato skins coming as well. Yeah, so they do some fantastically sized beef burgers here. Yeah, they've been popular. And sliders. Nong has gone for this big rack of ribs with sweet potato fries, yes? Oh, very healthy. And she loves asparagus. This one has been very popular as well, a huge lamb shank. And myself, I've gone for the beef ribs. Sorry, it's a bit dark. Yeah.
Whose birthday is it? I don't
You can tell she's had 2 glasses of wine, eh?
Well, that's so. How can it be? Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Wow, wow.
There we go.
Hey. Good job, it was only 3.
Look at that for a chocolate cake.
Yeah, look at it. And a beautiful gold spoon to serve it up.
Yeah, so that was her mum's actual birthday party. She's had a couple of wines, a chocolate cake, and a fantastic feed up here at Peaky Blinders for Soy 1. Put a little map link in down below. You enjoy your food, honey? Yeah, over there. That's her takeaway bag. She's got so much stuff. So yeah, thanks very much for joining us. A bit of a mix on this tape, so enjoy it anyway. See you next time. Bye bye for now.